Hey, everyone, welcome back to Smart Home. Today, we've got a common issue that many Blink camera users encounter, the dreaded blinking red light. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you fix that blinking red light on your Blink camera. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech tips. Now, let's dive in. So, you've noticed that your Blink camera has a constant blinking red light, right? Let's figure out what's going on. Step 1. Check camera placement. First things first, take a look at where your camera is placed. Make sure it's not facing a reflective surface or direct sunlight, as this can interfere with the infrared sensors. Adjust the camera angle or relocate it if needed. Step 2. Wi-Fi connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for your Blink camera to function properly. Check if your camera is connected to the Wi-Fi network and if the signal strength is sufficient. If not, try moving your router closer to the camera or consider investing in a Wi-Fi extender. Step 3. Power source. Now let's talk power. Ensure that your Blink camera is connected to a reliable power source. If you're using batteries, make sure they are charged and inserted correctly. If you're using the power cable, check for any damage and try a different power outlet. Step 4. Camera firmware update. Blink regularly releases firmware updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Open the Blink app, go to the camera settings, and check for any available updates. If there's an update, install it, and see if the blinking issue persists. Step 5. Resetting the camera. Sometimes a simple reset can do wonders. Find the reset button on your Blink camera. It's usually a small recessed button. Use a paperclip or a similar tool to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. This will reset the camera settings. Step 6. Contact Blink support. If none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to Blink support. They have a dedicated team to assist with troubleshooting and technical issues. Check the Blink website for contact information or reach out through the app. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix that blinking red light on your Blink camera. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.